Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be exploring Meghalaya today in this vlog, and I'm right now at the Mumbai airport and we're going to land in Guwahati. We're going to stay the night over there and then I'll take you guys along, so stay tuned. After landing in the Guwahati airport, we then travelled to Cherrapunji by road. The journey is so scenic and picturesque, so make sure you keep your eyes out of the window at all times. I'm at Meghalaya! We finally reached our destination, and I mean, just look at this place. It literally feels like we're among the clouds. Hi guys, after a long 8-hour journey from the Guwahati airport, we've now reached Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, and I'm currently staying at the Polo Orchid Resort. And look at this beautiful view, you guys. The resort was very well located and had a panoramic view of the entire city. I'm staying at the presidential suite here, and let me show you guys how it looks. It was like a duplex villa with one room on the ground floor, a pretty spacious balcony with an infinity private pool, and look at that gorgeous view! Now we're gonna go up the stairs to find another room on the top, which actually has a glass wall overlooking the greenery. After enjoying the breakfast at the hotel, we left for exploring. The first tourist attraction is the Garden of the Caves in Cherrapunji. This large park is surrounded by lush greenery and thick forests. As you stroll through, you'll encounter ravishing caves, cascades, and seasonal waterfalls, creating a magical and a mystical atmosphere. After spending about 3 hours here, we then left for lunch. For lunch, we're at this pure vegetarian restaurant, which was just 10 minutes away from the hotel. We're at Orange Roofs. A freshly prepared Indian thali was just awesome here.
The next day,
we are at the most famous place of Cherrapunji.
It's raining heavily, so we are all in raincoat.
Let's go to the double.
Well, at the beginning of this trek, we were all charged up and excited to take on this trek of 3,500 stairs. Now done with 1,000 steps, you will come across 3 bridges in order to reach the main bridge. And we finally reached the double-decker Living Root Bridge. You will first reach the waterfall and look at that water. It is so clear. This natural wonder is actually made by the intertwining of living roots. These roots are so strong that several people can walk on them at once. The view truly looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. We grabbed some Maggi before going up.
day 3.
Currently at Mosmai Cave. As you walk through this limestone cave, you will encounter unique formations that have been sculpted over millions of years by the slow drip of water. This is truly an adventure. Here's the exit of the cave.
A few minutes later,
We had some delicious lunch at Jiva Resort before heading over to Highland Camp. Somehow we've landed at this camping kind of place, and it's super cool because it's like surrounded by so much greenery, hills and rivers, and it's literally so pretty and calming. Let me show you guys the location. This was our home for the night. Our room was small but cozy. Look at this location a few steps from the camp, and you will realize there was a crazy flowing river near us, so we had to go inside to have some fun. It's currently 5 PM here, which is actually the perfect time to get here. And by the way, this place is called the Highland Camp, and I'm super duper excited to stay here for the night. At night, we had a campfire set up around which we could sit and have conversations. Post-breakfast, we left for Shillong. Hi guys, I'm finally here at Shillong, and I'm currently staying at Courtyard by Marriott for 3 nights, and let me show you guys how my room looks. The room was very clean and spacious. and the room provided a city view.
12 seconds later.
I'm in Police Bazaar! Police Bazaar is a bustling street filled with hawkers, street shopping and cute cafes.
Tomorrow.
Hello everyone, we're currently at the Dauki River, but unfortunately boating has been shut for 2 months, so we're now just gonna breathe in the air. The Dauki River, located in the Dauki village, is supposed to be one of the cleanest rivers. It is one of the main tourist attractions of Meghalaya. Located on the border of India and Bangladesh, you can see Bangladesh from here.
A few inches later.
Dinner today at Cherry Bean Cafe. Everything here was just perfect, including the interiors, service, coffee and the food. I found this extremely picturesque church and now let's go inside. This is the beautiful All Saints Cathedral located in the main city of Shillong. The next spot is Elephant Falls. The Elephant Falls is a serene and refreshing waterfall park consisting of 3 levels. Lots of viewing platforms and stairs to climb through. There are photo spots everywhere for you to capture the beauty. At the end of the gate, you will find a place where you can dress up in a Khasi attire for just 100 rupees. It's 5 p.m. That means another cafe to explore. I'm going to the super famous MLO5 cafe. The interiors here are so cozy and scream Shillong. The food is appetizing and it's definitely a don't miss cafe. Hi guys, I'm currently at the Umiam Lake and there's so many activities to do here like fishing and boating, but right now I'm just gonna watch the sunset. Another beautiful lake with crystal clear water. And that's the end. Thank you so much for watching till here and see you guys in the next one.